Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Google Sheets saves changes automatically to your Google Drive within seconds. This autosave removes the worry about manual file saves. You can work online and trust the document will update continuously. To keep a local backup, use File, then download and choose a format like XLSX, CSV, or PDF. For collaborative safety, open version history and review changes by date and editor. Name important versions so you can find them quickly later. Combine autosave, local download, and named versions for robust data protection. Choose File, then download to export copies as XLSX, ODDS, CSV, or PDF locally. This manual export provides an offline snapshot you can store on your device. To automate backups, create an app script that exports and saves files every 24 hours. Set the trigger for one execution daily at a low usage time. You can also use File, make a copy to duplicate the sheet inside Drive instantly. Each copy acts as a quick redundancy checkpoint, in addition to automatic saving. Open version history to view edits, restore past states, and name snapshots for clarity. Use named versions and comments to track key milestones and changes over time. This naming makes it faster to find a version you trust during recovery. To recover, select a prior version and click Restore to replace the current sheet instantly. Restoring does not delete the current version because it becomes a new entry in the history. Rely on version control to confidently manage collaborative edits and accidental deletions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.